In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create an account on Instagram. The process may be slightly different depending on whether you already have an Instagram account or you are creating your first account. And in this video I'll show you both ways, so make sure you watch this video till the end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. And first, if you are already on Instagram and if you are already signed in, you should tap right here at the very top at your Instagram username and then tap on Add Account. Then select Create New Account. You will be taken to this page where you should pick a username for your new account, and you can just type in here whatever you want. You can always change it later. So I'm just gonna type in Apple Guy, and then it says that the username Apple Guy is not available. That means that it is already taken. It offers us to select any username from that list, and of course you can manually change your username by adding some characters or digits in that way, and keep doing it until you find one that is available. After that, once you see that green check mark, just tap on Next. Then choose a password for your new Instagram account. I recommend you to set strong password using characters with uppercase and lowercase and digits. Also, you can use special characters like that to make your password stronger. And once you've entered the password, just hit on Next. On that step, you can add new phone or email to that account by hitting where it says Add New Phone or Email, or you can use your phone and email from your main Instagram account, and you can just hit Add Complete Sign Up. Then it offers us to find Facebook friends. I'm just gonna skip this step. You can hit Add Find Friends if you want. Then it will ask you to allow Instagram to access your contacts. If you want to easily find your friends from your contacts book on Instagram, I recommend you to enable this feature by hitting on Next. If you don't want to sync your contacts with Instagram, just hit Add Skip. Then you can add a photo. In that way, just select the way you want to add it. You can import it from Facebook, you can take photo using your camera, or you can choose it from library. I'm gonna select this way, and then I can just find any photo. Let it be that one. You can scale it, you can move it in that way. Once you found the best option, just hit Add Done. Then it will ask you if you want to share this new profile photo as a post. If you don't want, you can toggle this feature off and hit on Next. You will be taken to Discover People, where you can follow some users just by hitting at that follow buttons next to their usernames, just like that. Then hit on Next. Your new Instagram account has just been created, and then you can use it in the way you want. In any time you can hit at Edit Profile, and then you can create avatar, you can add name, pronouns, bio, add some links and all that stuff. And if you want, also in anytime you can switch between your Instagram profiles by hitting right here at the top. That will show you all your Instagram profiles that you are currently signed in, and In this way, you can easily switch between them, and also you can switch between your profiles by double tapping at that profile icon. Just double tap to switch between your two recently used Instagram profiles. Now let me show you how you can easily create new Instagram account if it's your first Instagram account. So once you've opened up Instagram app, hit right here at create new account. And then it will ask you to enter your mobile number. If you don't want to enter mobile number, you can hit at sign up with email, and then it will ask you to enter your email. I will use my mobile number, so I'm just gonna enter it and hit on next. Then, to confirm your account, you have to enter the 6-digit code that has been sent to your number. When you get the code, just enter it into that text field and click on Next. All next steps will be the same as I have already shown in this video. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.